Alright, good. Septic 1059, repeat, 1059. We have burning gas. We need hazmat now. PC down, PC down. Okay, suspect just totaled civilian vehicle. We need EMS on the 1036. Suspect has rammed us. Repeat. Suspect has just rammed us. 353 crash. 1023, pulling up right at 6.
That gas station's going up. We got a major fire.
Good, that's good. Take him. And, we're busting into a substation. Get into electrical substation. That's a negative on the stop. He's still going. I'm gonna need more units out here. All available units to my location now. Target lost. Repeat, target lost. 10-4,
Cancel that. Cancel. We got him.
the gas station going up. The hazmat rolling.
We got a visual on multiple ground units closing on your 20. Hang on. They'll be with you real soon. You got any more ground units in the area? He just knocked out the last car.
I'm with other units waiting just ahead of the pursuit. Can you confirm we are authorized to use any means necessary to this guy?
I think we lost him. Repeat, we still have no visual on target ground.
I got him on view. Pursuing pursuit.
We see multiple units closing on the target vehicle. You should have a visual on him any second. Hey, cover units are code 3 to your position. Yeah, we can see him just ahead of you.
Update when you can out there. Haven't heard anything for a while.
I've been hit. Repeat, I've been hit. Come around here. Cover stand by to get in front of them for a block. Guys, let's take it easy on this. Let's do better numbers. Okay, suspect hit the roadblock. Hit the block. Yeah, you roadblock. That's great. I'm trying to hurt him for it. Code 6 collision moving in.
We see multiple units closing on the target vehicle. You should have a visual on them any second now.
Target went through the block. I've lost all cover units. Can you clear additional units? This guy's still moving. Minimal damage. Code 6 collision. I'm moving in.
Cover units are code 3 to your position. We can see him just ahead of you.
This is too risky with all this traffic. I gotta slow it down. We got a roadblock just ahead of your suspect. I got him. Going in for the pin.
We see multiple units closing on the target vehicle. You should have a visual on him any second.
I don't see him. 10-4, 1023 at last known location. Let's cancel that VCB. He's right here. I got him. Yeah, vehicle's through the roadblock. Okay, we got a Yui here. He just pulled a Yui. Hold on. I lost everybody here. We got anybody else out there? I lost this guy. We need more units. We get some canvassing going here off my 20. I got a visual on this suspect. He's still running.
Stay with him. We got a visual on your cover. Hey, I'll be there in a moment.
Units joining the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported eastbound on the Ocean Freeway.